People, so this is Yakut gut health, and Ayush is going to try it, and he says he's tried it before and he didn't like the experience, but once we open it, because a lot of my viewers watch and they like Ayush's reaction to things, and now ads have begun coming. Yes.
Oh,
Yeah, it's sweet. What?
it's better than usual.
Okay. This is supposed to be very good for the gut.
It's not bad.
Okay. Wow. So this is called Yakut Health. If you want, you can leave some for me. I'll also have from that.
Here.
Yeah, but you have majority of it. Okay, I'll take one sip. It's an interesting flavor, right? So yeah, it's recommended. Would you recommend it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is interesting. Yakut
Solid
Health.
7 out of 10.
Yeah, solid 7. It is fermented milk drink. Interesting. So thanks Ayush for your review. We'll put it on our channel and we'll even tag the Yakut people.
Okay.
So on that note, now he's back to eating. What is he like eating? Cream and onion is his favorite flavor. Okay. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.